How am I gonna get out of here? It's very hard to breathe here. And what if my life ends here? No. It won't. Can't. My friends need me. Maybe some birds can help me if I call for some. I mean, my elephant bird calls are so quiet. Dang, that's not gonna work. I don't hear anything. Wait, is that a sparrow? Oh, great, it's DarkTalon. Or ShadowTalon, whatever. Ugh. ShadowTalon, what do you want? Temper. I'm not here to hurt you. Really? Then what are you gonna do? Throw me in the volcano? Yeah, sure. Until DarkWatcher. Until... You could try, but I'm way too heavy for a sparrow to carry. No. I'm not really trying to do that. Give me a second. Look, listen. Giant, right? I am only here to help you. How can I trust you? What if you tried making a mistake, or you try killing me? What if you bring me to DarkWatcher, and he plans on making me evil? No. I am only here to escape with you. He's gone too far. I just want him to stop this nonsense. So, you let me get you out, or I only let you in there to stop breathing because it's hard breathing here. You know what? Fine. You have a deal. But if you betray me, I will hurt you. Good. Now let's go. Come on. Yeah, give me a minute. Sorry, it's just very difficult. There we go. I hate having a long neck. Okay. Poison is guarding the place. Oh, great. Wait, I thought his name was Anti. Shh. Okay, yeah. His name is Anti. He just named himself Poison because he just realized what poison meant. Yeah. Which way's the exit? Is it this way? No. Well, I've never been down this way, so I guess we could try to check if there is. Damn it. No. It's just a big fire tree. Wait, hold on. Is DarkWatcher looking for some? Is he looking for the elements? I don't know. All he wanted was an extinct bird army. Yeah. Hopefully. What's here? Yeah, be careful of those. They are dangerous. Okay. I will. Oh boy. Oh no. Poison that's around us. What? I do always hear it. You think that you can escape from me? Well, guess what? You can't. Oh, look who it is. ShadowTalon. Wait until Master hears about this. You don't have to do this, Poison. Just leave us alone, and we will be on our way. So pathetic of you. Giant, you go. I'll hold him off. But what about you? I can't just leave you here to die. I'm positive. Just leave. I'll hold him off. Okay. We'll only need this one. No. Alright, Poison, you want a piece of me? Then I'll give you one little piece. Scratching your eyes out. Yes, there's a treehouse. Giant, as I will run past. Oh, Rainbow. Thank Jesus Christ, you scared me. Oh, sorry, man. I didn't mean to scare you. Oh my goodness gracious. Who let you out? Like who how did you come back? It was that Sparrow that knocked Red. That knocked Red out. Oh, right. Wait, he let you out? Yeah. Out of the same cage that we were in. Or cages, I don't care. Yeah. I hope he stays safe. I hope so too. I hope he doesn't die. Now. Look who's weak now. Now tell me, why did you? I don't need to tell you. If I do, you are going to be in so much trouble when DarkWatcher finds out that his assistant is dead. I'm pretty sure he's going to enjoy your death and telling him that you betrayed us. I am not going down there. And I will never help him again. Then you are no use to him. So how about I push you? Give you a little push. Oh, no. No! No. Well, Blood, what do you need? I need to speak with Master DarkWatcher. I need to ask him when those stupid extinct birds are done. Stay here. Okay, what's the code? 3015. So 3015 or whatever. Pfft, whatever. I don't care. See when I gotta ask Master when another extinct bird is ready to fight or kill whatever. Blood, where is my partner in crime? You mean ShadowTalon? Yeah. Where is he? Well, you see, he betrayed us. He what? Yes. He betrayed us to free that elephant bird from prison and everything else. We captured the elephant bird. You didn't have your cameras on? No, I did not. Well, what the hell? Listen. I want to know when... Wait, which one are you bringing back? I would say... Just give me a second. Don't worry, my dear assassin. We will have the Jaholos Lornus here soon. He's almost ready, or she, could be she or whatever, I don't know. But he is almost ready to come out. there.